Hey everyone, welcome to my wealthy body. Are you tired of tossing and turning at night? Or waking up feeling more exhausted than when you went to bed? Today, I'm going to share the ultimate evening routine to transform your nights and give you the restful sleep you deserve. First up, let's talk about screens. Those phones, tablets, and TVs can be your worst enemy when it comes to sleep. The blue light they emit tricks your brain into thinking it's still daytime, which messes with your melatonin production. So make it a rule to turn off all electronics at least an hour before you hit the hay. Next, we need to relax. And I mean really relax. Try some light yoga poses or deep breathing exercises to calm your mind and body. Or if yoga isn't your thing, a warm bath works wonders too. The key is to let go of the day's stresses and start winding down. Setting the mood is crucial. Dim the lights in your room to signal to your body that it's time to wind down. You can even play some calming music to create a peaceful atmosphere. Trust me, setting the right environment can make all the difference. Now, let's talk about food. Heavy meals late at night can disrupt your sleep, causing indigestion and discomfort. Stick to light snacks in the evening, like a banana or a handful of nuts. This will help you avoid any late-night tummy troubles. Consistency is key. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day helps regulate your internal clock. Yes, even on weekends. Your body loves routine, and sticking to a schedule will make falling asleep and waking up so much easier. Creating a consistent evening routine is the secret to better sleep and overall wellness. If you found value in this video, don't forget to subscribe to my wealthy body. Sweet dreams, everyone.